Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Lift to Wake screen on Android. So if you want to wake your screen automatically without touching the button, so you can just lift up or rise up your phone to wake your screen. All you have to do is go to the setting button, try to scroll down, go to the home screen and lock screen option. It can be different, but the point is try to search the home screen or lock screen options here. Try to scroll down, and this is lock screen feature, raise to wake. You can enable this, you can switch on this. So the effect is when you raise or when you lift your phone, the screen will wake. Or you can try double tap to wake screen. So please free to try these options to make it easier, to make it smarter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.